The Bachelor of Science in Architecture is concerned with producing graduates with comprehensive knowledge, appropriate skills, and a professional attitude in the practice of architecture, together with their total growth and development within the framework of democratic ideals and values, and the promotion of sustainable development and the conservation of architectural heritage within the global context, thus making the architecture curriculum relevant to the present needs and latest international trends. By 3-5 years after graduation, the graduates of architecture program should have performed standard competencies in accordance with the scope of the global and local practice of architecture. Show traits of professionalism, sense of responsibility, equality, and patriotism. Receptiveness to new ideas and knowledge through scientific research. Direct and focus the thrust of architecture education to the needs and demands of society and its integration into the social, economic, cultural, and environmental aspects of nation building. Instill understanding of the basic philosophy and fundamental principles of the multidimensional aspects of architecture and the direct relationship between man and his environment. A curriculum summit was conducted by the university in 2019. This summit was a comprehensive review of the existing curriculum of each academic program offered in the university to capture the inputs of the industry partners who served as resource persons, as they are an authority to provide valid assessment or evaluation of the performance of graduates. The Department of Architecture at PSU Urdaneta campus has adopted and implemented the new curriculum on the first semester of the school year 2021 to 2022 in accordance with the policies, standards, and guidelines for the Bachelor of Science in Architecture program. In order to attain the goals of the BS Architecture program, systematic and effective procedures that are put in place are followed. To this end, Educational Organizations Management System Manual outlines the flow of activities involving curriculum development and program approval, syllabi and instruction material development, and instructional planning and delivery. The budget of Pangasinan State University is divided into 4 parts: instruction, research, extension, and others, including the general administration support services and support to operation. The administration disbursed a total of $1,251,295,000 for 2024. $237,825,000 was spent in general administrations and support, while $42,579,000 is allocated to support to operations, and $513,334,000 is used for operations. From the capital outlays, the amount of $446,042,000 went to higher education program. The architecture program at Pangasinan State University is dedicated to providing students with a comprehensive educational experience that blends theory with practical application. Central to this mission is the availability of equipment and facilities. This report explores the importance of these resources in enhancing the learning experience, fostering creativity, and preparing students for successful careers in architecture. The faculty of the architecture program have been actively involved in a variety of professional development activities that are intended to improve their ability to fulfill their academic responsibilities, particularly in the critical areas of community extension and instruction, which are central to the institution's mission. Faculty members are afforded the chance to implement their specialized knowledge in a manner that is advantageous to their local communities through extension programs. These initiatives frequently involve the development of programs that are designed to enhance the communication skills of both young people and adult members of the partner communities, including written and oral communication. Additionally, faculty development is acknowledged to be contingent upon their participation in workshops and seminars, which assists in their professional development and capacity to adapt to the changing requirements of education. Throughout the years, faculty members have capitalized on training opportunities provided by the university and external organizations to guarantee that they remain up to date in their respective disciplines and continue to deliver exceptional education. Recognizing outstanding achievements through awards is one of PSU's most effective ways of appreciating its human resources. An award method has been implemented to guarantee that qualifying grantees are not ignored. To be fully compliant with CHED requirements and to meet the emerging needs of the industry, the curriculum is revised and enhanced to keep up with the demands in the employment arena. Along with the curriculum, the revision was the enhancement of syllabi. The objectives of the new curriculum are stipulated in the new syllabi. Likewise, the learning resources, activities, and assessments all conform to the new curriculum. Thesis in Architecture is the culmination of study for the BS Architecture program. The students enrolled in Architectural Design 9 and Design 10 are tasked to do real-world problems to solve in their thesis study. In their thesis, the application of their accumulated knowledge in their stay in the department can be assessed through their output. Hence, strict adherence to the standards set by the department as reflected in the rating forms is observed. Consultation with students plays an important role in helping the students succeed in their academic endeavors. Recognizing the importance of this, each faculty is given a definite schedule to accommodate students for their concerns. Every faculty member sets consultation hours to help students having difficulty in doing their assigned tasks or any problem the students encounter in their studies. Consultation hours are indicated in the faculty class schedule and conducting meeting. Sample faculty class schedules and conductive meeting are shown. Faculty members who achieved outstanding rating on the faculty evaluation of the students are given recognition. The college recognizes the faculty for their performance with a certificate reward. Faculty members in the department are motivated to pursue and finish their master's degree that is vertically aligned to the profession. Together, we build a legacy of quality education. At Pangasinan State University, instructional excellence is at the heart of our accreditation efforts, ensuring a brighter future for our students and our nation.